A very good afternoon, my dear students. How are you all? I hope to all are safe. Stay home and stay safe. Welcome back to Maths online class. Today class is IIT Foundation of Mathematics. IIT Foundation of Mathematics Chapter 2. Name of the chapter Square Roots and Cube Roots. Synopsis 7. A very good afternoon, my dear students. In the previous class, up to synopsis 6 completed, chapter 2. Today we are discussing about synopsis 7, that is properties of cube roots. That is properties of cube roots. So that is the first point. Properties of cube roots, first point. The cube root of a negative perfect, the cube root of a negative perfect cube. Perfect cube is negative. Did you understand, children? The cube root of a negative, we have to take the any negative number, that is cube root. Perfect cube also negative number. For example, it means of 3 of minus a equal to minus of cube root a. It is a perfect cube. At the same process, example, square root of minus 343. Cube root of square root cube root of minus 343. So it is a right in minus of cube root of 343. So it is a cube number, minus cube root of 7 into 7 into 7. 7 sevens are 49. 49 into 7, 63. 7 fours are 28 plus 34, 343. So write here minus cube root of 7 cube. So cube root cancel, minus 7. The cube root of a negative number, perfect cube also negative number. Okay, did you understand, children? Next property. The cube root of the product, the cube root of the product of two perfect cubes. Perfect cubes is the product of the cube roots of the perfect cubes. Did you understand, children? The cube root of the product multiplication of two perfect cubes. Two perfect cubes is the product of the cube roots of the perfect cube. For example, cube root of AB, we will separate the A and B. We know that laws of exponents root AB equal to root A into root B. At the same time, cube root of A into cube root of B. Okay, children, did you understand? So, example, cube root of 216 into 8. 216 into 8. So, we know that 216 is a cube root 216 into cube root of 8. It is a 6 into 6 into 6. 6 cube is a 216. We know that 6 into 6, 6 6 are 36 into 6. 6 6 are 36, 6 3 are 18 plus 3, 220. 21, 216 into cube root of 2 cube. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So write it. Cube root cancel and at the same time cube root of 6 cube into 2. Here also cube root cancel. So 6 into 2, that is equal to 12. Okay children, did you understand? This is the process. The cube root of the product, it is also cube number, it is also cube number. The product, cubes is the product of the cubes, is a perfect cube. So here, first product the 216 into 8. 8 6 are 48. 8 1s are 8 plus 4, 12. 8 2s are 16 plus 1, 17. 1728 is also perfect cube. So here 12 cube. 12 12s are 144 into 12. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 2. 4 1s are 4 1s are 1 1s are 8, 12, 7, 1. 1728. So it is also the product numbers also perfect cube and the cube roots of your perfect cube also. Here 12 is a perfect cube. Did you understand children? Okay. Next, third one. Properties of cube root is a third concept. Two concepts completed. This is the third one. The cube root of the coefficient. The cube root of the coefficient. Q-U-O-T-I-E-N-T. Coefficient. The cube root of the coefficient of two perfect cube. Of two perfect cube is the coefficient. Is the coefficient of their cube roots. Of their cube roots. So it is, for example, here a and b are not equal to 0. A and b are not equal to 0. Our perfect cube means cube root of a by b is equal to, we compare the laws of exponents, root a by b equal to root a by root b. At the same time, cube root of a by and cube root of b. Cube root of a by cube root of b. So for example, so cube root of 216 by 8. Okay. At the same, the before problem also take the example. So here write cube root of 216 by cube root of 8. Did you understand children? So write here cube root of 6 cube by cube root of 2 cube. We know that 6 cube, 6 6 are 36, 36 6 are 216. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So here cube root cancel. Okay. Remaining 6 by 2 is there. 2 3s are 6. So the value is 6. Okay children, it is a third property. We know that, once again explain that the first property is a cube root of minus a equal to minus cube root of a. The first concept. Second one is cube root of ab equal to cube root of a into cube root of b. The next concept. Third one, cube root of a by b equal to cube root of a by cube root of b. These three concepts of properties of cube roots. Okay children? Okay. Dear children, next solve the problems. Listen carefully, children. Is 1296 a perfect cube or not? It is a 1296 is a perfect cube or not? If not, find the smallest natural number which 1296 must be divided so that the product is a perfect cube. What number divided by or multiplied 1296? What number is divided the smallest natural number? 1296 is a perfect cube. So first we know that in the previous class also we do the prime factorization method. First of all, do the prime factorization method. So 1296. So here first prime number 2. 6 2s are 12, 4 2s are 8 and 8 2s are 16. Okay. Next again 2 table. 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Again second table. 2 1s 2, 6 2s are 12, 2 2s are 4. Again 2 table. 8 2s are 16, 2 1s are. Now start the third table. 2 3s are 6, 7 3s are 21. 6, 8 minus 6 is 2 is there, 2 1 21, 7 3s are 21. 3 table, 9 3s are 27. 3 3s are 9. So write the factors 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 4 2s and 4 3s. We know that cube means here factors of a 3 numbers is a one group. That is a cube number. So here remaining here 2 is a single are there and 3 also single is there. So it is a perfect cube? No, because of here 2 is and 3, these two numbers are single digits are there. Single numbers are there. So here remaining 2 2s adding and here also 3 3s adding. That's perfect cube. Okay, did you understand, children? It is adding of 2 2s and it is adding of 3 3s. 3 2s. Okay. So here, so it is not a perfect cube. Did you understand? Here 2 groups only is there, but 2 and 3 is single numbers are there. So the prime factors 6. 2 3s are 6. So here 2 into 3, 2 3s are 6. Does not appear in the group of 3s. Since 6 appears only one time. We know that 2 is a one time and 3 is a one time. Then prime factors of the cube not contain 6. 2 3s are 6. It is not possible. Did you understand, children? So here what number is divided by 1296? Perfect cube. So here 2 3s are 6. Once observe that 2 3s are 6. 1296 divided by 6. 2 6 are 12, 9, 6 1s are 6, 3, borrowing here 9 minus 6, 3, write that down, 6 6 are 36. So 216. That is a 216 is a perfect cube. 6 into 6 into 6. 6 6 are 36. 36 6 are 216. So hence the smallest natural number which 1296 should be divided to make it perfect cube is 6. Perfect cube is 6. The product of is a perfect cube and numbers, the natural smallest number 1296 must be divided. So 6 is a divided is a perfect cube and the product of a 6 is a perfect cube. At the same. Okay, children, did you understand? First we do the prime factorization method. The first 3 times of one number is there. So group number are not one. Observe that here 2 groups are there but remaining 2 numbers are there. Single terms are there. So 2 3s are 6. 6 is divided by 1296. So it is a 1296 is not a perfect cube. But 6 is divided after 216 is a perfect cube. The product of is a perfect cube. Okay children? Okay. Next second problem, find the cube root of 1.331. Next, find the cube root of 1.331. We know that 1.331. So it is the multiply by 1000 by 1000. Okay, divided by and multiplied by 1000 by 1000. Because of your point after how many digits are there? 3 digits. We have to take the one after 3 zeros. Okay. So here 2 digits are there point after, then you have to take the 100 by 100. Okay children, did you understand? Okay. Right here, the 1.331 into 1000. So here do the product 1.331 into 1000. 0, 0, 0, 0. Again 0, 0, 0, 0. Again 0 with multiple of 1.331. 1 ones 1, 1 3s 3, 1 3s 3, 1. 0, 0, 0, 1, 3, 3, 1. How many digits after keep the point? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So here keep. That is a 1331 by 1000. Okay. Then now we start the cube root. So cube root of 1.331 equal to cube root of 331 by 1000. 31 by 1000. So next. So it is a cube root of 11 cube. Cube root of 11 cube. 11 11s are 121. 121 into 11. 1 ones, 1 twos, 1 ones, 1 ones, 1 twos and 1 ones. 1, 3, 3, 1. Yes, by 10 whole cube. Okay. We know that properties of cube roots. Cube root of a by b equal to cube root of a cube by cube root of b. So it means b means here 10 cube. 10 cube and 11 cube. Cube root cancel. Remaining 11 by 10. That is a 1.1. Okay. Did you understand? Find the cube root of 1.331. The cube root of 1.331 equal to 1.1. Did you understand children? Okay. Next problem is find the smallest number by which number 81 must be divided to obtain a perfect cube. Find the smallest number by which number 81 must be divided to obtain a perfect cube. We know that 81 is not perfect cube, but once again do the 81 is a perfect cube or not. So given the number 81, do the prime factorization method. So it is once place is the odd number is there, then we have to take the prime number is 3. 2 3s are 6. Remaining 8 minus 6 2 is there. 2 1 21. 7 3s are 21. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. So here factors are 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So here a group of 3 is a one group. It is another 3 is there. So here also same again 2 3 numbers are there. That is a perfect cube. It is a one number is the remaining is there. So that is not a perfect cube. Clearly the prime factors 3 does not appear in the group of 3. Appear in the group of 3. Only 1 only is there. So 81 is not a perfect cube. At the same time, so to make it perfect cube, we must divide it by 3. We must divide it by 3. So 81 by 3. 81 by 3 means 81 same. 2 3s are 6. 2 1. 21. So 21 is a perfect cube or not? 27 is a perfect cube. We know that 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 21. 27. So 27 is a perfect cube. Find the smallest number by which number is 81 must be divided to obtain a perfect cube. Which number is divided then obtain the number that is a perfect cube. So 81 divided by 3, they will get the 27. 27 is a perfect cube number. So which number is divided? What number is the divided in 81? 3. Then 27 is a perfect cube. Okay children? Okay. Next, fourth problem. By which smallest number should we multiply 8232 to make it a perfect cube? By which smallest number should we multiply 8232 to make it a perfect cube? Which number is multiplied? Then we will get a perfect cube. Find the cube root of the perfect cube. So first do the prime factorization method. We know that prime factorization method 8232 do the prime factorization method. So 2, 4 2s are 1 1s are 1 2s are again 1 2s are 6 2s are 12. Next 2, 2 2s are 5 2s are and 3 2s are. Sorry, 8 2s are 16. Again 2 table. 10 2s are 2 2s are 9 2s are. Now 3 table. 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Again 3 table. No, not it possible. 4 7s are 28 and 63. 9 7s are 7 7s are. So factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 into 7 into 7. So here 2 is a grouped numbers and 7 also grouped number is there. So 3 is a one time is there. We can see that factors of 3 is not part of a group of 3 numbers. Only one time is only. So needs to more 2 parts, more 2 numbers. More 2 numbers means 3 into 3. Okay. So should be multiplied. 3 3s are 9. So 8232 into 9. Do that. 18. 27 plus 1, 28. 9 2s are 18 plus 2, 20. 9 8s are 70. 2 plus 2, 74. So that is a 74,088. So that is product of the 9. Okay. Then multiplied by 9 and cube root of 74,088. We know that here group of 2. 2 into here group of 7 into remaining single digit is there. So that is 2 7s are 14. 14 3s are 42. So that is a 42 into 7 into 3. That is a 42. 42 is a perfect cube or not. Once observe that 42 into 74,088. So 42 into 2 means 48. So not possible. One time 42. Here 2 is there. 7 minus 4 means 3 and 0. 42 into how many times are possible? For example, 42 into 8, 16. 32 plus 1, 33. So not possible. 7 times. 14. 28 plus 1, 29. So here 7 times 294. So here borrowing 10 minus 4 is a 6. Here borrowing 11 minus is a 2. So 8. 268. So 260 how many times are 42 into 6? 12. 6 4s are 24 plus 1 25. So 252. 8 minus 2 6. 6 minus 1. 6 minus 5 1. And 1 8 is write that down. 168. 42 into 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 4s are 16. So 4 times 168. The remainder is 0. So 42 is a perfect cube. So cube root of 74,088 equal to cube root of 42. Okay? Sorry, cube root of, yes, 42 whole cube. Cube root cancel, 42 is there. Okay? Did you understand? So it is once explained that cube root of, here group of 3 2's, 2 into 7 into 3 whole cube. Cube root cancel. 2 7s are 14. 14 3s are 42. Okay children. So 42 is a perfect cube of 74,088. Okay. Children, I hope to understood these problems. So I think after Pongal vacation, we will conduct the SA1 exam. So IIT exams also is there. Maths all are writing IIT exams, and by the IIT materials up to 2 chapters. In mathematics portion is up to 2 chapters. That is the IIT portion. Okay children? Okay. Thank you my dear students.